Oh, that's feet. 8,900 feet away. If I open the map,
that's like 1.8 miles.
Zoom out. Oh my god, come here. That's how far away I am. Alright, I'm doing a distance test with my drone because, well, yesterday you saw I crashed my drone. I missed. I crashed my drone yesterday, but I got one of the propellers fixed, and the other one's just got a slight crack in it and milk on it because I spilt milk on my drone. But I want to see how far it'll actually go, and it's really nice sunset over there, which you'll see once I get the drone up. So I'm going to get the drone up, but I'll screen record my screen so you can see what I see, and then I'm going to see how far I can actually go in dual band and then single thing, different connection settings, and see how far it actually goes. But apparently it goes far. I can't actually remember how far, but apparently it goes quite far, but we will sure find out. My gimbal is just calibrating at the moment.
The map.
Oh, it's dark, right? But this is sunset, what I'm on about. Let me just go up over these trees. There you go. It's kind of gone now, and there's not that much colour, but that's what I did mean. Sunset was like that, and it looked beautiful. Oh, my ISO was on 6,400. My shutter speed's on 8. Great. Let me just get a photo of this house quickly, and then I'll actually do a test. It's really foggy as well, so it looks really cool. Starting from now, we just go. Meow.
It's in a bit long.
Alright, I think this is on dual band smooth mode, the connection, so this should be good. We're at 300 meters distance. Let's head around here. Let's head towards sunset. Screw it. We'll go a bit higher. It's really foggy, so it looks weird on misty or misty. There we go. It's really misty, so it looks weird on the drone. Okay, we're 500 meters away, and I've got poor connection already. Oh no, it's gone back up to 4. Oh no, back to 3. Oh, back to 4. The connection's not the greatest, but we're still going. 600 meters away. I'm starting to get a bit of choppiness. I should probably check if I set my home point. Yeah, I did. Okay.
Where has it gone? Straight that way.
It's basically the motorway.
$500 meters. How much is 500 meters? Half a kilometre.
I think so. Well, I'm about to at 950 meters now away.
That's basically a kilometre. Not a mile. A mile's a lot further. But a kilometre away. You're just doing it as far as it can go.
Oh, alright, I've set my maximum flight distance, so let me just make that longer. Max distance of 1,000 meters. Right, it's now at 600 meters. And then let me also return to home altitude 150. Alright. And we're going again. Oh, okay, I see the motorway. I'm scared it loses connection over the motorway. Alright, I'm about to make it over the motorway. I'm looking on the map. I'm above the motorway now, still going. Wow.
It's quite dark.
1,400 meters away. I'm still going. It keeps dropping frames occasionally, then it comes back. So, this is the furthest I've ever gone with this.
It's a bit dark.
It will be. 1,600 meters. Oh, controls disconnected. Oh, it's back. We're at 1,688 right now, and I am lagging a lot, but I've gained connection back. Let's go into transmission. So right now I'm on smooth dual band.
You know you're 1.7 miles away. No,
Really?
0.7 miles away. Do you know how far am I?
Alright, we've changed to 2.4 gigahertz, the frequency. Let's see if that helps.
Wait,
Oh, I've gained connection back. I'm still going far again. So me changing that actually helped. 1,800 meters away.
1,800? That's over a mile.
Yep. 1,900.
You're 1.3 mile away.
2,000 meters away.
That's like 1.4, almost.
Alright, so I have lost connection of the drone at 2,050. It's returning to home, but I'm going to cancel it. It's flying up. Cancel.
I reckon don't
Cancel.
cancel. I don't reckon cancelling it.
You won't let me cancel it. I'm at 2,000. I cancelled it. 2,050 meters away.
That's like 1.3
So
miles.
that was on 2.5 gigahertz, 2.4 gigahertz. We've moved to 5.8 gigahertz, and we're still going. Let's see if I get better connection on this. Instantly lost connection, so I might have to go back to 2.4. We'll try dual band again. See if that helps. But right now I am completely lost all signal on the drone. Aircraft not connected. Completely not connected.
Whereabouts are you now? Over motorway?
Sprott Village. Yeah.
Oh, where? What? Oh yeah, good luck getting the drone if it goes.
I am at Melton Road. Oh. That's not good.
What?
So, this might be a problem. I just went off the app by accident, and now it's saying aircraft setup and power on. Oh, no. I've connected back to the drone. I'm parked.
Oh, you know when they said about I'll meet you on the bridge? Alright,
Yeah.
my drone will meet you there, mate.
Literally, I could get the drone there.
Oh, well, that's...
Okay,
Wait, how was
transmission. We've changed it to dual band now. Turn back around and keep going. Once it gets to 50%, I'm going to head back, because then it won't have enough to get back. I've got 18 minutes for flight time left. I'm at 2,200 meters. Hello, doggo.
That is far. That is far.
2,300 meters.
That's like 1.5 miles away. But that's on a straight there, you know.
Nah, I went straight and then I went that way. I'm all the way over there.
Someone's like, oh, get a clip of me, like, it's probably
2,500.
Someone's like, get a clip of me, like, what's it called? Get a clip of me into proper village. Alright, I'll fly from my house. It won't be long.
Alright, 2,700 meters away.
Don't crash it.
I'm still going, I'm just pushing forward. I think I'm going to get to about 3,000, then stop and head back.
Doggy. Yeah.
Oh, there's a cute
Near
dog.
enough 3,000 miles. Near enough 3,000 meters. That's about 1.8 to 1. Like 1.7 to 1.8
I'm
miles.
3,000 meters away.
That's like 1.8 miles.
If I open the map,
That's like 1.8 miles.
zoom out. Oh my god, come here. That's how far away I am.
Go home.
It's returning home yet. That's how far away
what
I am.
I mean.
That's Sprott Village. I've gone
I
past
know.
Sprott Village. That's about in there.
But 1.8.
What?
1.8 miles.
Okay, cancel that. Alright. Yeah, I'm on a field, so so if it lands, I'm just gonna have to go to that field.
It mustn't be dark by the time you get there.
Is that still recording?
Yeah. It did stop, but then I started it straight away back.
Yeah.
It's just 5 minutes and 30 seconds left. It stopped and then I just started it back up.
3,200 metres. I'm going to stop there and head back. 3,200 metres away. Do you know how far that is? The controls lost connection many times. That's like a half an hour walk, isn't it?
More than half an hour.
Yeah.
Basically almost near enough 2 miles.
Remote controller signal lost. I've lost connection of the drone and it's 150 metres up. 3,270 metres that way. And it's returning home again.
Yeah, just return it back. It got a lot more darker now, it's gone brighter.
Yeah, it will.
Your battery's fully charged.
Right, I want it to start recording, so I'm going to cancel it. Oh no, I just cancelled and it started recording. Right.
Go home.
Right, the drone is flying back.
Oh, fast.
I don't know because it lost connection. Oh. I can't see how fast it's going. I wonder why that is. I could used to see how fast it was going, I swear I could. Safety, no. Control, metric, units in meters. I can set it to kilometers or imperial. What's imperial?
I don't know.
Feet. Oh, that's feet. 8,900 feet away. Damn. And then
Yeah, good luck.
2,600 meters, kilometers away.
That's 8,000 straight there. Not having like going where you have to actually go to there.
Wow.
That's a lot different, I think.
That's very far. It's still flying back.
How far
Still
is it now?
8,000 feet away.
What about in meters?
In meters? Oh, I just went off it. Oh, my drone needs an update.
No shit, after flying like 3,000 miles, not 3,000.
2,300 meters away. It's going 9.7 miles per second. Miles a second, I think? 9.6 miles a second. So, it's not too far. I saw some of what I wanted to put on. See what it does. But I can't find it now. Oh yeah, obstacle avoidance bypass. So it tries to go around it. I want to try that. Still flying back. I'm pointing the camera down. Nope, it's still okay. Okay, I'm going to cancel this. Whereabouts am I right now? Okay, I'm still quite far. I'm going to quickly just try and see if I can see what's it called? Sprott Village, there you go.
Yeah.
So I'm flying to Sprott Village now. I've got 45% left. I've lost connection again.
Nice one.
Alright, I'm going to say it to come back.
One.
Hopefully it will come back.
Go home.
Okay, it's going to point me in the direction, so that way.
You do that.
Look, come here.
One.
Dog's speedy.
Look at it.
I'm going to put it in sport mode in fly back. So I should come back faster now. Yep, so instead of 9 miles a second, it's at 14 right now. Miles a second. Weak signal. Lost signal of the full aircraft again. Oh, there we're going back. I was flying back. I don't know.
I know where your camera's made.
Where?
I know where your camera's made.
Where?
In Japan. It says it on there, made in Japan.
Is it?
Right there. It literally says made in Japan.
Alright. Sport mode. Fly back.
Meow. 48, 47, 46, 45 seconds left. What did you even bring with your 2 batteries? And
My battery's got 4 minutes left of flight time and I'm 1,500 metres away.
wait, what?
My battery's got 4 minutes left of flight time. 4 minutes and I'm 1,400 metres away.
I don't think that's gonna make it.
I don't think that's going to make it either.
Go as fast as you can.
I'm going as fast as I can, go 60 miles per second.
60. How fast are the thingies going down? They're just literally going one by one or like by 10?
Going down quite fast. Okay, let me
Just get shot by a firework.
imagine.
About 240.
Oh, it's just gone up to 7 minutes. My flight time. It was just at 3. I am coming back, boys. I've just lowered the drone a lot, so from 1,500 metres to 16.
Oh wait. That's close. 16 metres.
That's height.
Oh.
Distance 300.
Oh.
So I think I've definitely made it back.
It's on the right in front of you.
I can hear it.
Can you? Oh, go on. Vince probably hold light more. See you in a bit.
That bombed it past. Boys, the drone made it. The drone is back.
Got the light now.
Oh, no way, it made it.
Battery level is low. The aircraft
As if you got in.
I get back at battery aircraft level low. Alright, I'm bombing it past us, you ready?
Don't get too low. That's too low, way. That's way too low.
Oh, I'm landing it, okay.
I'll show you the middle bit.
It's on 5%.
That was close.
I saved it.
critically low battery.
4%. Oh. No way. Jesus. So I went 9,000 feet away. I almost lost my drone for how many times it disconnected. And then I flew it until it has 4% battery left where it literally couldn't fly anymore. I'm pretty impressed with this beast. Oh, that's bright. Decent. And you can't see, but I flew it with one of the wings with a chip in it, which is a bit sketchy. But yeah, a good video.